How to use OmeTV video chat alternative app. This app is getting quite high in the charts in social networking, as you can see, and it's one of the top video chat roulette apps out there. You need to know there are a bunch of these apps these days, like Omegle, all of those, but this app seems to be one of the most kind of reliable ones. And yes, seems it's well built and all of that. However, I still can't guarantee that this app is completely safe and legit and that it doesn't have bots. I have no idea. All these random video chat apps are not that safe actually, and so you just need to use at your own thoughts, and then you just create an account. You can easily sign in with Apple ID or Facebook, or you can just continue as guest. However, then you will be limited in your experience. But then yeah, you just create your account like that. Then that's how it looks like. You can also upload photos. Then you will just have profiles in your area. You can select your filters, who you're looking at, and then you can just see who is in your location. Then you can try to message someone. You can follow people. You can favorite. Of course, only you can do that if you already created an account. Now, I don't know how real are these all people. Like, with current AI technologies, this can easily be bots, and maybe these people can really message you, and then you will be pushed to upgrade just for messaging with bots, but I have no idea. And this is the app. Basically, you can search, you can enable all countries, or you can enable only your country where you just give access. Then you can just also search by city. This app is not that popular in US or Europe. It's mostly, popular in Asia, I guess, like in Middle East, and therefore, yeah, you can just discover how it looks like. So yeah, that's the idea. And then the main idea of the app is that they have this chat where what you need to do, you just need to give access to your camera and to your microphone, and then you will just be in this some kind of like chat roulette where you just see your own video in the bottom, and then you will randomly see other people in the top, and then you can just chat like that. So you can just give access to the camera, for example, and then yeah, you'll just be able to chat with other people. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then yeah, you have messages there, and then you also have favorites. You can see favorites, who favorited you. And then yeah, that's just the main thing, that you can swipe through other people in video chat, and then yeah, just have fun. Then you just can select your language. You can also enable safe mode, which I currently recommend to do in this app. Then you will see blocked users. Of course, you can block users, as of course in these video chat apps there can be a lot of inappropriate users. You can restore purchases. Then you can also edit your information, change your profile picture, change your age, change your country, relationship status, if you want. And yeah, so then you share, and then you can also upgrade to VIP pass, where you can send up to 10 messages daily, follow up 10 users daily, top rank in your country, stay on top in search results, find out who favorites you, use a rear camera, make yourself stand out with the VIP badge, send up to 10 messages, and then you can just unlock with the pass. And then 3-day free trial, and then it's $9 per month. It's not that cheap, but you have free trial, and then you can cancel that free trial if you want. So there you have it. If you think that's worth it, give it a try. It's not that cheap, it's not that expensive though. I don't think they have like a yearly pass, so you can just try it for a few months, or even for 3 days, and then cancel. But yeah, if you want to try free trial for 3 days, remember, you need to cancel at latest on the second day, because if you cancel on the third day, you will be charged. Yeah, hope that's helpful.